Don't let the size fool you. This impeccable 3-bedroom 2-bath home features open/split floor plan and is a clean slate waiting for your personal touches. Perfect for a primary home, seasonal retreat, or investment property, this light and bright home offers vaulted ceilings in the living and dining room, upgraded tile and laminate flooring throughout the main living areas, freshly painted inside and out with all neutral colors, updated lighting, ceiling fans in all bedrooms, and so much more. Impact windows and doors are an added bonus for insurance, as well as electric bills, and the new roof and air conditioner in 2023 are added mechanical bonuses you don't have to take care of. A screened lanai welcomes you to the large southern exposure backyard that has plenty of room for a pool, should you decide you want to add one. On city water and sewer. No flood insurance required here. Conveniently located close to downtown Cape Coral business, stores, restaurants, school, and easy access to Fort Myers.